Today, we present the three main faults of a domestic air conditioner. Let's enumerate them. 1. The unit cools but with low performance. 2. The unit experiences freezing of the indoor unit. 3. The air conditioning unit does not turn on. Now, let's explain the main causes of each fault. The unit cools, but with low performance. In this case, it is necessary to check A. Low refrigerant gas charge. This fault. B. If the unit is conventional, meaning it operates on/off, it may constantly shut off due to a temperature sensor failure, both on the evaporator and the room temperature sensor. C. If the unit is an inverter type, the compressor may spin very slowly, due to a temperature sensor failure, both on the evaporator and the room temperature sensor. D. Low airflow due to a dirty air filter, causing airflow obstruction. E. The outdoor or condenser unit may lack maintenance, typically being dusty or dirty and requiring cleaning. The unit experiences freezing in the evaporator. In this case, it is necessary to check A. Low refrigerant gas charge. In this case, the unit's electrical current consumption is lower than normal. Using an amperometric clamp, you can verify this consumption. B. Low airflow due to a dirty air filter, causing airflow obstruction. You should clean the indoor unit's air filters. C. Poorly placed evaporator sensor, preventing the unit from shutting down due to freezing. D. Very cold days or low thermal load inside the room, combined with a very low temperature setting by the user, even though the sensors should detect temperatures to prevent freezing. E. Unnecessary pressure loss in pipes, due to their elongation or reduced diameter. The air conditioning unit does not turn on. A. Problems with the electronic control board, causing no power to reach the compressor. You should check the compressor power relay. If the compressor is conventional, on/off type, try to start the compressor directly without the unit's power supply to rule out the control board. B. Electrical issues with the compressor's internal coils. Measure their electrical resistances by disconnecting them electrically and using a multimeter. These resistances should have the same value, and should never read infinite or zero. Additionally, the compressor coils must be isolated from the compressor housing. When measuring the pins of the compressor's connection with respect to the housing, they should be completely isolated, meaning they should have infinite electrical resistance. C. Mechanical issues with the compressor, making it impossible for the motor to turn the compressor, due to a blockage.